Mi nombre es Anderson Romero, estudiante del curso Inglés Cero. El presente video trata sobre la segunda parte de la tarea 4, que trata sobre un cuestionario que es el siguiente. What is your name? My name is Anderson. What is your full name? My full name is Anderson Jose Romero Ursola. What is your last name? My my last name is Romero. Are you married or single? I am single. How old are you? I am 70 years old. When is your birthday? My birthday is on February 26. Where were you born? I was born in Cincelejo. Where are you from? I from East Las Piedras. Where where do you live? I live in Las Piedras. Well done. Well done. Well done. I live with my parents. What is your favorite sport? My favorite sport is soccer. My favorite sport is soccer. What do you do? What do you do? Study. 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 What do you study? I study techniques. Where do you work? I'm work. No work. Is I. Thank you.